Before starting, I recommend watching part 1 first. Now, let's move on to part 2. Select your B-shape layer and duplicate it. Rename this duplicated layer to A-shape so we stay organized. Go to Color and Fill and change its color to a bright yellowish green. Since this is our starting point, move it to the beginning of the line. Next, add a text label for point A. Now, add the flicker effect to the text. Go to Effects, tab Add Effect and choose Flicker. Adjust the frequency and strength until you get a soft blinking effect. Also, add keyframes at the start for smoother animation. Now, duplicate this text layer, rename it and place it near shape B. Now let's make the destination point stand out. Add a circle shape layer. Turn off the fill and enable the stroke. Then apply the pulse size effect. Adjust the frequency, grow and shrink values. This creates a radar-like animation. Now for the best part, add gradient colors to the line. To create a glowing neon effect, add a full scape layer. Apply the copy background effect to turn it into an adjustment layer. Then add exposure and gamma to boost the brightness. Finally, apply soft glow and adjust the settings for a smooth neon look. Finally, let's make the camera follow our glowing path. Select all your layers and group them together. Select the group and go to Move and Transform. First, zoom in using the scale option. Now, let's track the path. Use position keyframes. Start with the camera focused on point A, then move along the timeline and adjust the position so the screen follows the line to point B. And that's how you can create a clean map animation like this. For the Alight Motion template, click the video on the left. And for the complete step-by-step tutorial, click the video on the right.